Alright, so what's up guys? It's a rainy Saturday today, and I'm pretty hyped because we're about to do the exhaust on the car. So I got the tips in the trunk, and yeah, let's do it. I actually ended up buying a catback. Excuse all the junk in the trunk. But yeah, I actually ended up buying a catback exhaust. So this is the before exhaust sound. So we're gonna do a little clip of how it sounds right now, and then we'll do one after when we finish the exhaust too. Alright guys, we just lifted up the car right now. I just put some WD-40 on those little rubber exhaust hangers right there so I can take them out. And then we'll start unbolting the exhaust so I can put the new cap back on. Alright, so I just got that part out right there. I got all the hangers off. I got it on the deck right now, so I'm just going to lower it right now. Alright, so here we go. So we got the new exhaust on, so I'll put it on from there. It comes back. And there's the Y pipe. That splits to the two mufflers. So yeah, we'll see how loud it is right now. Alright guys, we got the cap back on now, so I'm gonna give it some revs so you guys can see how it sounds. So we're gonna go to Norm's right now to meet Adrian and Ladis, and hopefully Brandon will meet us there or afterwards. So yeah, let's do it. Come! Hey! Alright, so we're gonna go over to the canyons right now, and Adrian keeps looking at me. So yeah, we'll see you guys there. Hey. Fuck you too. Damn. Got kuya. Sir?
I'm gonna just go. See you guys later. Woo, that sounds good. Cause fucking Bobby got me shook at like what the fuck he just pulled. That hand, like Jesus.
Damn, Adrian's got that off-road stance. Look at that.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Mexico once.
This guy thinks it snows in Mexico.
I think it snowed once, Bobby. Ever since I was little. Actually, it was hail, not snow.
Hail's not as fun.
Hail fun when it hits you. They're like this big.
Dude.
Bobby, you gotta give me Harper.
What the fuck? This nigga gay. So we're trying to decide whether we're gonna go this way, down Azusa, or this way, and go up to the snow.
You can decide after you do burnouts.
No burnouts.
Alright,
Alright, if you win, then we go this way.
well,
if you win,
which way they want.
alright, fine. Okay, which way do you want to go?
I'll whichever one you told me.
Alright, see, because they don't care. Do you care which way you go? Alright, so if you win, then we're gonna go this way. If you win, then we're gonna go this way.
Let's just go to the snow.
Alright. Alright, so we're coming up here right now. Got the whole gang behind me. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. This exhaust is pretty damn loud. Hey. Fuck. I was running over a big ass rock right now. Alright, so I think we're pretty much here. Yep, because I see snow on the sides. Alright. Adrian's gonna buy a turbocharged Prius.
I'm gonna turbo it myself.
Like if I saw a turbo Prius, I probably wouldn't race it.
Yeah. But how would you know if it turbo? Like if I drove it as slow as I could to make it sound like it's not turbo.
We're all over here trying to avoid these potholes, and then Adrian with his stock height ass is just going over fucking everything.
Fucking Tarzan in the snow looking at.
Come on, Adrian. Oh shit, that was actually gonna hit me.
Nah, you're fine. Watch, you just gotta stand here till dismiss.
Yeah? Alright, don't move.
Go for it.
Aim for his nuts. Don't move, don't move.
Go for it. It would've hit me. Oh, looks like he's about to.
Right here? Okay.
There was no tire marks here before, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see very well, somebody made tire marks. So Bobby is the first person to do donuts here at the ski at Mount Baldy.
I guess I'll be the second person.
A the little 8.6 that could.
Yeah.
Alright, so we went down a little further. Park closer to the snow. And guess what we found? Hey!
You gotta make his face.
It slipped.
Alright, so we did not come prepared for snow.
Dude,
Alright,
this
ready,
is fucking. Dude, are you fucking kidding me?
Not here, man.
Fucking path?
I'd say go up there.
So I can just keep going down?
No, but it's better than fuck. Look how many fucking rocks are right there. Ah!
There you go.
Oh, that's like I did fucking legs at the gym.
Alright, I'm staying in third gear all the way down the canyon. I'm not trying to use my legs.
There's an engine.
Ho!
Wait, do it again. I want to stop that shit.
Look how steep that is. Look at that angle.
And I just lay right now if I didn't record.
Oh god, I'm gonna die. Look at the difference. Stock FRS, lowered FRS. Stock FRS, lowered FRS. Hey, the lineup.
My clutch stuff is done.
Okay.
Exhaust leak bowl.
Alright guys, so we're just leaving the canyon right now. The man, the myth, the legend. Alright, later dog. Later. Later.